Alright, so in this video I want to show you how to turn in some assignments that you'll be doing for some math. So I'm in my student account and I'm going to go over here to Classroom. Should pop up on your home screen anyway if I have it set up right. See, this is my classes that I'm enrolled in. I'm enrolled in 5 and 6 Bible, 5 and 6 Technology, 5th grade Math, and 9th and 10th Earth Science. So I'm really smart when it comes to science. You'll see that I have nothing due here, but in math I have one assignment that's due at 11:59 on Tuesday, and so I want to take care of that. I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me directly to this example assignment which I created earlier, just to kind of show you. You can see that Miss Martinez has already commented on here. Devin L, you need to get in here, and Gabriel, you signed up for 6th grade, so you need to get in the 5th grade. Jabez, you don't have to do this because it's just an example assignment, so I can show you what to do. Anyway, this is where your assignment will be, and it will give you the numbers that I want you to do, the page, and things like that. Now, if it says something like this, use the free mathapp.org. That's what I want you to do. If it doesn't, then I'll have another way for you to turn in that assignment. But this will at least take care of the assignments where you want to use the free math app. I ask that you save the document title as your name. So, what does this look like? Well, if you click the plus, you're going to get a new tab, and you're going to go to freemathapp.org. And it's going to look like this. And then once it looks like this, you're going to go down here to where it says Students, create a new assignment. And then you're going to get this picture, the screen that has a lot of different math things on it. Here you have a basic tab, you have set and theory, logic, calculus, Greek. We're not going to be using anything in these 3 tabs, so you don't have to worry about that. Everything that we need will serve under the basic section. So you have the plus, the minus, you have the multiplication, you have division, you have fractions, pi, if we're doing pi, square roots. We're not going to be doing any logs or anything like that. Absolute value, inequalities, approximates, exponents, plus or minus degrees, and the angle sign. So if you hover, if you hover your mouse over it, it will give you the keyboard shortcut. So that way you can just use your keyboard to type in something instead of having to always move your mouse to click. So it's up to you. You might want to use your mouse to click. If you just have a regular mouse instead of the trackpad, that might be easier. So let's go back to what we're going to do here. Let's say we're going to start our homework, and let's say we're going to do problem 1. And in the problem, it says that x plus, I don't want equals. See, that's where you got to use it. Shift plus 2, let's say, equals 4. Okay, that's the problem. On the first line always goes the problem. Then you have a couple of options. You can either hit enter. If you hit enter, it's going to copy everything from the previous line, and then you have to delete everything. So if you don't want to do that, what you can do is go over here, and you can click new blank step. You click that, and then you get a new thing to write with, a new clear line, and you can just do, from here, we would do x equals 2, and that would show you that, that would show me that I, as the teacher, that you subtracted 2 from each side and how you got x equals 2. I know 5th grade, that probably doesn't make much sense to you. That's okay. Let's say problem number 2. This is problem number 2, and problem number 2, we're going to do 1/3 plus, don't want to do that, see? You got to, I wish there was a better way to do this. You got to click out up here, so the cursor is right beside the problem. 1/3 plus, let's say, 1/2. Okay, and I know I can't do that. I need to use common denominators, so I'm going to multiply 1/3 by, if you really wanted to get technical with this, you could do 1/3. Yeah, we don't have to do that. We'll just use a common denominator of 6, right? We'll do 1/6, and then we'll do over here, we'll do plus, not 1/6, come on, 2/6, and then over here we'll do 3/6. Alright, that shows me that shows the teacher, sorry, that I have common denominators, new blank step. When I add them, I'm going to do 5 over 6, and that would be the answer. So 5 over 6 would be it, and then I'm done. I'm going to move on to problem number 3. So I don't know, let's say that this problem is 2 times x plus 3 equals, I don't know, 2x, I don't know, doesn't matter, does it? 10. Sure, let's do that. So then let's just do a new blank step, and then on this step I'm going to show that I distributed the 2. Again, if you don't understand this portion, that's okay. You don't need to understand the math, you're just learning how to use the website. 2x plus 6 equals 10. New blank step, I get 2x equals 4. And then the last one, x equals 2. So here it shows that what the original problem is up here. It shows on this step that I distributed. Here it shows that I subtracted 6, and here it shows I divided by 2 and ended up with my answer. So let's pretend that those are the only 3 problems that were assigned. That's all I had to do. And so now I'm going to go up here and save it as my name and click save. And it's going to save it as a .math. If you want to save it as the assignment, so that way you can easily find it in your files, that would probably be better if you put a page number with it. So there we go. Example assignment. Good. Now it's saved. Now it's going to take a little bit of time to go back and find it because I'm going to go over here. This is the class. I'm going to go to add or create. Go to file. And then what I need to do is I need to, let's see, find recent. Is this it? I think this is it right here under the recent. Yep, Kirby Kirschman dot math. And add that. It's going to add it up. It's going to do a little bit of loading. Boom. Turn in. So there it is. Now it's turned in. You'll see it's turned in here. And if you go back to your classes that you have, you'll see that my to-do list is gone now, and I don't have to do that assignment anymore. Just to go back here real quick, the reason why you'd want to put the page number of the assignment is probably because if you named everything your name, they're all just going to have your name.math, your name.math, your name.math. And as you build up your assignments, you're not going to know which one is which. So I would do your name and then probably put your page number of that assignment on there. Okay, it's turned in and we're good to go. So again, one last time, that's if you want to use, that's when I have assignments posted that you're going to use freemathapp.org. Feel free to ask questions on it. We'll see if it works. You can listen to my daughter's horse. She loves that thing. Anyway, that's how we're going to do that on these specific assignments. We'll work together on it, have a little bit of leeway. Just communicate with me as we learn this process together until we can get back in the classroom. Hopefully this will work out good for us. All right, well, I appreciate it.